What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mike. Today I wanted to bring you a video about a radio I just installed. It is the KENWOOD DMX47S. This thing has Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, Sirius XM connection, and Bluetooth. No CD player or anything like that, but now again, who listens to CD players anyways? So I just wanted to bring you a little update of what I installed in this vehicle. I do have it connected to my Bluetooth. You can see right there, it says Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me lower this down for copyrights. But I mean, this radio is pretty awesome. Got the harness off of Amazon. Well, not the harness, the actual radio bezel. Picked that up from Amazon for about $27, I believe. Also, to make this thing work, you're gonna need the Maestro F01. And I'll put all the links in the description down below, so that way you guys can take a look at it. Now, there is another component that you do need for this to make your steering wheel features work, like your volume, change the channel, media, all that other stuff. Now, I am able to still use the phone on this, which is the cool thing about it, but I tried to order this part. Ordered this off of Crutchfield right here. Picked this up for, I believe, $34, $35, somewhere around there. Now, to order the other part, the other Maestro, the other part that I need for it, and I'll put that link right here, this part right here that I have up. This is the part that you need in order to make your Sirius XM radio work, your sync work, and all of your steering wheel components. It's a great little radio. I've been messing around with it for a couple of days, and I love it. I got no complaints. You know, the price was right, and actually got a great deal for it. Let me go through the settings real quick, show you guys what we got going on. So right here you have your radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, AVN, standby, and you have all of these other displays down here at the bottom as well too. You got Android Auto, which is a great feature to have. It'll screen your mirror, but like I said, you still need that other component for it. Let's go into the settings. So here you can do actually display. You can go to background. You can change your background. You see the background changing. So it actually gives you 8 images that you can display on here. 6 of them are going to be for the factory, but it also gives you the capability of uploading 2 images of your own personal preference. So whether you've got kids or anything like that, you can download it onto the screen via USB port. All you need is a flash drive. You basically plug it in to this component right here, USB-C. You plug it into there. Or actually, I take that back. You're actually going to plug it down into this little device right here. You guys excuse the mess. Don't be too hard on the mess down on the floor. Has been raining down here in Texas where I'm at. But nonetheless, man, this is a pretty cool radio. Like I said, you can upload 2 images right here. You could custom set them on the background, so that way when you're driving, you have the screen of your personal image in the background, which is a pretty cool little feature to have. You got your screen adjustment. Let you change colors of the screen. You can also change the tones of your color right here. And I just turned it off. Let's see, where are we at? There we go. So you can change the contrast of your buttons down here. So if you want your buttons to match your lights up here in the top, green, you can change them red, green, blue, all that stuff. So I haven't really messed with that yet. Haven't got really deep into that yet. Dimmer, it's on sync, so it'll automatically dim. It's got your reverse camera. I don't have that hooked up yet because I am still waiting for that part, like I said. It's got your AVN inputs, all that good stuff. Special, you can set up the screen a special way that you want it. Bluetooth, that's what we're on right now. I'm actually going to turn it back on. Give me just a second. Okay, let's see. Let's get out of here. Let's go to Bluetooth. Device name. We are going to go here. We are going to hook it back up. There we go. We are connected. So let's go back to the main screen. Let's go to press play. But yeah, guys, it's just a great little radio to have, man. I mean, like I said, I've got no complaints about this radio. The only complaint that I do have will probably be about this harness. You know, they make these harnesses kind of pricey, but I mean, there's a lot going on. You can't just do it like back in the days where you just cut some wires, hook them all up, solder them together. Can't do it like that anymore. You know, they make things a little bit more sophisticated now, and if you don't hook it up right, you'll actually run the risk of burning something up or frying something up in your vehicle. So that pretty much sucks. But yeah, getting these components right here, it's a must. It helped me out. I was able to install it. The bezel, like I said, I picked that up from Amazon. I was kind of worried about it because a lot of people said that it doesn't fit, but it fits my vehicle just fine. This is on a 2012 F-150, the V8 5.0. So once I get this other component, it should be working pretty good. I'll get all my features back right here from the volume and all that other stuff. I still am able to make phone calls on the Bluetooth because it's connected to Bluetooth. Even with the Android Auto, with that I'm able to pull up GPS, and basically it's screening your phone for you. It's mirroring it on the Kenwood on this receiver right here on this dash. The only complaint that I do have, going back to that, is with this Maestro. The red wire that comes on this harness and the red wire, the accessory wire that comes on the back of your radio, you cannot hook those up. You can hook them up, but you're going to get no power. So basically what I had to do, I had to run the red accessory wire down on the side of my door to an accessory wire that I have there on the side of my door. So basically when I go to turn the key on, the radio will turn on and turn off as I enter and exit the vehicle and I use the vehicle. But let me show you exactly what I'm talking about in case you guys are having trouble connecting a radio like this. Let me show you that wire that's on the side of the front passenger side. All right, so here we are on the front passenger side of the vehicle. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop this cover off right here. Be careful because these things are plastic and you will break the little clips that are in there. So basically, this blue wire right here, this is your accessory wire right here. So what I did was I just kind of tapped into it. It's a big blue wire. There's other blue wires in there, but it's going to be the biggest blue wire that you see in this side panel, and that's going to be on the passenger side of the vehicle. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to run the 12-volt accessory power from the radio. That's the red wire. You're going to run it back down behind over here, and then you're going to tap into this blue wire just so you have a constant accessory wire. This is the only one that I could find right here. There's other ones inside the engine, but this is where I chose to run mine. Be careful when you do this. You don't want to blow anything. Definitely don't want to blow anything. But this is how I ran mine, and yeah, so that's basically how I ran my wire to turn on my radio, because you can hook up those two red wires at the back of the radio and the red wire that's coming out of the harness. You can hook it up all day long, but you're not going to get any power. That radio will not power up unless you run it to a 12-volt accessory. So yeah, so that's how I did mine. Yeah, look at these mats. Hey, if you guys know any good mats, any floor mats to buy for your F-150, please leave a link or comment down below. I picked these up from Amazon as well too. They are Goodyear, and you know, I've had these already for a while. Picked them up for like 30 bucks, but they are just garbage. I don't like them. So if you guys got any floor mats or anything like that that's been working for you guys inside your F-150 or your other vehicles, let me know. Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, definitely need to change these out. Like I said, I've had them already for a while, but I mean, they're garbage. I don't like them at all. So like I said, if you guys got any suggestions, what's working for you guys inside your vehicle, comment down below and I'll look into getting me a pair. Also got the one in the back here as well too. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't even reach all the way across. It said it fits. It doesn't look like it fits, but I mean, for 30 bucks, hey, who can complain? It does a job. And yeah, I'm just tired of them. I'm ready to get rid of them. I need something of better quality, something that's laser fit or something like that. So like I said, if you guys got any suggestions, leave a comment down below what's worked for you guys, and then I'll definitely look into replacing this. All right, guys, so there you go. That's pretty much the KENWOOD DMX47S. Again, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and for your backup cameras and all that other stuff as well too. Great little stereo to have. Can't beat the price. Like I said, I did get a deal from it, or for it, but I'll put all the links in the description down below that you need to tackle this project in case you're wanting to do it by yourself. It's not that hard to do. I was able to do it. But yeah, I mean, it's something that you could pretty much do yourself, save some money instead of having to go to the installation shop to hook all this up. You just got to get the right parts for it. And be careful if you do order this, because you still have, there is a back order on the part to make your steering wheel and everything else function properly. So right now I do not have my XM radio working, and I do not have my buttons working for the steering wheel. I can't control any features on that. Everything has to be done by hand. Now, the only thing that I do see wrong with this radio is there's no remote for it, for the volume or anything like that, or to change the stations or anything like that. But you can buy one. I believe it's for $26. You got to go through Kenwood, or I'm sure other people sell it off brands or something like that. But there's a lot of functions and features that you could do with this radio. And I like it because, like I said, I can screen my phone to the actual radio itself. So that's pretty cool. But other than that, guys, yeah, I just wanted to bring you the quick little video of the KENWOOD DMX47S. You guys got any questions or comments? Leave them down below in the comment section, and then we'll go from there. Thank you guys for tuning in. All right, guys, it's your boy Coyote Mike. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next video. It's your boy Coyote Mike.